Today, I'm going to tell you about a campaign that has attracted a lot of attention recently. There is an airdrop system where you can earn XRP. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn XRP rewards just by completing tasks. This campaign is being run through Zoomex. Let me give a very brief explanation first. An airdrop is a type of campaign where platforms distribute free tokens to attract users. The main goal here is to attract more new users to the ecosystem, boost the overall trading volume, and ensure the platform remains highly active. Now let's get to the main topic. The Zoomex XRP Airdrop is an exciting promotional event where active users can earn valuable XRP rewards simply by completing a few specific tasks on the platform. These tasks generally consist of the following. First, you register your account, finish identity verification, then deposit your funds and reach the required trading volume. Today on our radar, Zoomex's exchange's amazing campaign launched specifically for May. With the May XRP airdrop, we have a chance to win XRP rewards worth up to $650. The campaign has started. It continues until May 31st. I will explain all the details step by step, from bonuses for new users to volume rewards and even the $300,000 prize wheel. The first thing you need to do is very simple. To get started, you first need to create a new Zoomex account using the link found in the description below or pinned in the comments section. Once you have done that, you must click the Register Here button located directly on the campaign page. I have already clicked it myself and just finished registering my own account. Please make sure to click right here and complete your registration to ensure you are all set. There is a new user bonus. During the event, if you register and deposit $1, let me show you like this. Everyone who makes their first deposit of more than $1 instantly earns $10, grabs it right away. I just praised it directly. In order to be eligible for the XRP rewards, the very first thing you need to do is your deposit must be over $50, identity verification must be completed, and you need to reach at least $10,000 in trading volume on futures. Now, let's see how much we need to deposit and how much we get in return. Right here, you can very clearly see the various reward tiers. The rewards multiply according to the amount of your initial deposit. For example, if you deposit $50, you get a $10 XRP airdrop plus a $100 XRP position coupon. If you deposit $300, for instance, let's say you deposited $300, you get a $30 XRP airdrop and a $300 XRP position coupon. For example, let's say you deposited $8, you get a $50 XRP airdrop and a $500 XRP position coupon. So just by depositing, you start off with a big advantage. Now let's look at the advanced volume and the Wheel of Fortune. If you say, I won't just deposit, I'll also trade. If you want to be a trader, the rewards don't stop there. For example, if you exceed $100,000, you will be eligible to receive a $10 value XRP airdrop. And if you successfully surpass a total of $500,000, then you will receive a bonus $50 XRP airdrop. And if you successfully manage to reach a total balance of 1 million, that is, if you reach $1 million in your account, an extra bonus of an additional $100 worth of XRP airdrop is automatically deposited directly into your personal digital wallet. Also, upon the legendary spinning wheel of fortune, let's take a look at the campaign section. There is a wheel of fortune with a prize pool of $300,000. As you complete tasks here, you can collect extra rewards. There are a few very important rules here. Listen carefully so your money doesn't go to waste. In other words, don't let your money be wasted. Do not withdraw money from the exchange until all the rewards have been fully distributed. And make sure your account balance stays at least $50. If you withdraw early, you lose your right to the reward. So it goes to waste. First deposit bonuses are distributed regularly every Thursday. The promotional trading coupons that have been issued to your account are valid for 7 consecutive days. In summary, friends, don't miss this XRP airdrop that lasts until the end of May. The discounted kit link and the event page are in the description. Take good care of yourselves. Wishing you lots of profits. See you soon. Goodbye.